Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly edit eye like this. If you want to follow this tutorial, link for the eye photo is in the description. So import the photo. Now duplicate the layer, select the patch tool and remove the skin blemishes. As next step, I'm doing dodge and burning using curves. And basically I'm just trying to make lighter parts of eye lighter and darker, so it's gonna make them pop a little bit more. I have a tutorial for this, so if you click on this link you can watch it. Import the clock you want to insert to the eye. Press J on your keyboard to select the healing brush and remove anything you don't want to see in the picture. I really didn't like the placement on the hands on the watch, so I just copied and moved them to the place where you want it. As you could see, I just made a rough selection, so now using the pen tool, I'm making more precise selection to perfectly select the hands. Okay, now it's gonna look so much better. Now we have hole here, so just quickly select it using lasso tool and by pressing shift and backspace and content aware fill to fill the gap. You can completely skip this step if you opened your watch as a smart object. And if you did it like I did, just follow my steps. Set the blending mode of clock to overlay, resize them, and put them where you want them to be. Remove the unwanted area by using a layer mask. Just select the unwanted areas and paint with black brush to remove it. I'm using the lasso tool and I just select the inside. I press the invert and delete it. Everything I didn't want. Now I already made a selection of an eye, but it's pretty much simple. I use the pen tool. But here, as you can see, I'm using a brush and layer mask, and I'm just fine tuning it, so it's gonna look more realistic. The selection of these hands wasn't the best, so by selecting them, press select, modify, contract by 1, press enter, and invert the selection and press delete on your keyboard, and you're gonna delete 1 pixel of your selection. Now again, using the brush tool and layer mask, I was trying to blend the clock better with the eye. So just play with it until you are going to be satisfied. By using curves and the selection I created before, I made eye a little bit darker. And by using another curves layer, I made the whole image darker. Open color lookup layer, set it to foggy night, blending mode set to overlay, and just play with opacity. Ctrl Alt Shift E to merge all the layers. Press Ctrl Shift A to get into camera raw. And now we're gonna make the final adjustments. This step is completely on your personal preference. You can play with the sliders however you want, just don't overdo it. And if you want the image to look same as I did, just follow my steps. Here, as you can see, I made a radial filter and I played with the exposure and colors. Here I made another filters. So just follow the steps. All of these settings, the camera raw and all the filters, you can find in Adobe Lightroom, but I prefer to do it in a Photoshop. When I do something in Photoshop, I end it in Photoshop as well. Like these radial filters and graduated filters are a game changer if you learn how to use them properly. And it's pretty simple. Okay, now I think we come to the end. Just export it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell so you will not miss another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.